Everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to capture a screenshot of failed test cases in Cypress. Capturing a screenshot of failure is a great way to identify the issues quickly and improve debugging. So let's begin. First step, open Cypress config.js and here enter screenshot on run failure is equal to 2. Now, we need to enter the location in which the screenshot will be saved. Screenshot folder and then enter the path in which the screenshot will be saved. Suppose we want to save the screenshot here in Cypress and create a new folder here inside this Cypress screenshot. This is the basic setting for capturing the screenshot on failure test case. Now save this test file and this is the login page test case, and here you can view. First navigate to the URL site.visit, enter, click on the username field and then enter the student into the username field and then click on the password field and then type password into the password field and then click on the submit button. Now here we need to make some changes for failure the test case. So here suppose we enter the wrong password into password field. So enter here wrong password 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then enter the command for running the test case. We need to run our test case in CLI mode. For running the test case in CLI mode, you need to enter NEX Cypress run dash dash spec and then enter the location of this test file. Right click, copy relative path and then enter. This is the location of this test file, login underscore test dot site dot js. To type this command, click on enter. Now we are getting some error here. We need to identify why we are getting this error, and here you can view this login test unpassing, no video capturing, and scroll down. As you can view, your config file is invalid. We need to make some changes here. Yes, comma is missing here. And save this test file and again run the test. Scroll down and again run the test. Enter. Now, this test case will be running in CLI because we enter the command npx press run and then enter the test file location. Running test case, login test. This is the file name, login underscore test. Test is running. First, it will navigate to the URL, enter the username, password, and then click on submit button. As you can view, we can view here login test, one test. In this file, we have total one test, passing 0, 1 failed, no pending, and no skip test. Inside this screenshot folder has been created successfully, and this is the screenshot. In screenshot, we can view your password is invalid because we enter the password invalid. Now, enter the correct password and see the screenshot is captured or not in the positive case. Now, save this test file, again run the test. Test is running. First, it will navigate to the URL, enter the username, password, and then click on the submit button. Running logging test, logging test. In this scenario, our test case should be passed because we enter the correct credentials. As you can view here, no folder has been created because our test case has been passed. Now, I will show you how we can capture the screenshot in GUI port. If we set the screenshot one run failure is equal to false, it means the screenshot should not be captured because here we set the value screenshot on one failure is equal to false. Let's save this test file. Make sure you save this test file for reflecting changes, and same as well. Enter incorrect password there in password key. Save this test file. In this scenario, screenshot will not be captured because the set screenshot on run failure is equal to false. Save this test file and again run the test. We can run the test in different browsers in Cypress. Now, currently you can view the test is running in Cypress. This is the version of Cypress browser Electron. In Cypress, we can run the test on different browsers. Login underscore test. This is the test file name. And here you can view our test case has been failed, but the screenshot is not captured because here value is equal to false. If you want to run the test case in Chrome browser and enter browser Chrome. Now we are running the test case in Redis. Test is running. First, it will navigate to the URL, enter the username, enter password into password field, and now running the test case browser is equal to Chrome and headless. Global postcode test is running. Enter the username, password. In this scenario, it will enter a password, incorrect password in password field. Now, we can capture the screenshot by running the test in GUI. Clear the test. Now, suppose we want to capture the screenshot by running the test in GUI site dot screenshot and then home on there make changes to and then capture the screenshot after clicking on the submit button. NPX Cypress Open. This is the command for running the test case in GUI mode. npx Cypress open. Click on enter and the test case is running. Now in this scenario we need to select the browser. First select end-to-end test. Click on start E2P testing into. Now select the test file which is login underscore test. Click on login underscore test. Test is running. Your tests are loading. First it will navigate to the URL. Navigate to the URL. Enter the username, password, and then click on submit button. Open LS board and here you can view screenshot folder has been created. Inside this screenshot folder, we can view this screenshot of failure test case. You can zoom your password is invalid. Due to invalid password, our test case has been failed because we enter the invalid password in password field. That is for today tutorial or capturing screenshot of file test case in Cypress, which will help make your debugging process much easier. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your Skillboard for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.